Hi guys, today I will be solving Codeforces round 812 due to and I think after a very long break I am back to Codeforces solving problems. So right now I am specialist, so I'm pretty sure after this contest I may go back to pupil or newbie as well. Not surprised, but the last contest I solved was on March 17, 2020. Today is 6th August 2022, so almost like more than 2 years, and I'm excited for it. Let's see. uh did I lose the touch or am I in form? Mm, okay, so we have 20 more seconds. All right, so let's wait. I have my sublime text ready. Everything is all set in a well lit environment. Have the notepads is also ready, so okay, 5 more seconds. And yes, let's go. Oh my god, this is traveling salesman problem. I think I should try reducing the exposure of light. Oh, I can't help it, but I'll switch off this. Okay. You are living in an infinite plane with the Cartesian coordinate system on it. In one move, you can go to any of the four adjacent points. Okay, there are n boxes on the plane. The ith box has coordinate xi, yi. The ith box has coordinate xi, yi. So it is guaranteed that the boxes are either on the x-axis or on the y-axis. That is either xi equal to 0 or y equal to 0. Okay, it's on the straight line. You can either move like this or like this. Anywhere you can move. You can collect a box if you and the box are at the same point. Find the minimum number of moves you have to perform to collect all boxes. If you have to start and finish at the point zero, so you have to start at zero, then wherever you want you can move. What is the minimum number of moves you can do so that okay, test cases, number of boxes, how many boxes are there, on which coordinate it's there. Okay, do some and is not bounded. That's okay, it's anyway 100. So for each test case, output a single integer, the minimum number of moves required. So first it's 0 minus 2, then it's 1 0, and then it's minus 1 0. So how much you do? So each step is 1, right? 1. I think we can go beyond boundaries also. So 1, 2, okay. Uh, if we go from 0 0 to 1 0, I don't know. Let's see whether the problem B is possible or not. Consider an array of n positive integers. You may perform the following operation. Select two integers, then decrease all elements. Let's call the minimum number of operations needed to change array A into an array of n zeros. Determine it for all permutations. An array B is a permutation of an array A if B consists of the elements A in arbitrary order. For example, 4234 is a permutation of 3244. Oh, is not a permutation. F of A, the minimum number of operations needed to change array A into an array of n zeros. How to change array into array of n zeros? How to take it and for all, if for all permutations B of A, f of B is no. I did not understand this as well. In the first test case, we can change all elements in 0 to 5 to 0 in 5 operations. Can be shown that no permutation of 2354 requires less than 5 operations to change all elements to 0. Did this is subarray, right? They told subarray. Okay. To an array of n zeros. I'm not sure like why I'm so confused here. Oh, okay. So he did something like this for the first. Then for the second, how much did they give for the second? Four, three coordinates. So one, two, oh, this one they gave, this one and this. Okay, so basically you need to traverse all the coordinates. So you start from right or okay, you have to. I think we have to sort it first. How to sort it? That is, let's sort all the x-axis first. But it again should not go back. Uh, so if the number is here and if the number is here, it should go here. Then it should traverse all the x-axis. Okay. Then it should go traverse all the y-axis. Then it should go down, traverse all the x-axis. No, once it goes into the x-axis, it goes to the first y-axis. It goes all the way up, goes to the left, goes all the way down, left, all the way to the first. This one, this no no. It should go all the way to down. Then it should go this zero. That's what you do. Go all the way left, uh, go all the way this, and go all the way this, go all the way this, go all the way this. So they asked you how many minimum number of moves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So basically, you need to find the highest x number, then highest y number. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so they will give test cases. Then I think my face is not visible, right? Just streaming problems. So this is the solution, that is LLM seen, and how many number of things are there. Then we'll store all the array in a vector path. I forgot the syntax. Mm, temporary numbers. Okay, so C in B, and I also take the C. Now B dot uh, push back off. I just make B and C as the pair. Okay. Now, if B is positive, can I take four different arrays based on that? It is possible. So let's say this is positive x, this is negative x, this is positive y, and this is negative y. If B is greater than 0, what we do is um, that is the first number is positive, right? It's positive x dot push back of b comma 0. Else if c is greater than 0, that is uh, right side, that is by positive y, right? So positive y dot push back of. Okay. Okay, we don't even need a vector to store it. We just need to store the highest number, I think, right? Yeah. So that's it. Correct. I don't need this one, these numbers. So these are like max values. So let's say this is int min. Everything is kind of int min only. So they told 100, right? 100 means the range is minus 100 only, so no problem. We can do int min, then px equal to max of px. Max function won't work for ll. Px is greater than uh, b, then px or b. Similarly for everything. So just copy it, paste it. Else, this is for if c is greater than 0, it is py, positive y. Then if b is less than 0, negative x. Yeah, it's like what is the maximum distance it should cover. Then else negative y, that is c is equal to 0. I don't care that if 0 0 is a point, right? I just have to put 0. Negative y is greater than b. I can make it as a function actually, but anyway, I wrote this right, so no problem. Y is always c here. Now, what should I do is, uh, so what is this? This is result equal to 0. That is total number. Result will print, and so positive x n plus result plus equal to px result plus equal to uh, I just covered px positive x, then I have to cover the height plus x. So that is x if py is okay. So each of the things I need to check whether it's int min or not, right? So if px is not equal to int min, you do result plus equal to px. Exactly like if positive y is not equal to int min, if negative x is not equal to int min, if negative y is not equal to int min, then result equal to is equal to result plus equal to then result plus equal to. So can there be any condition? So if x is not there, if only these two are there, I won't move here at all. If I moved here, then I should if like suppose this one, this is the thing, 0, right? X y plus 0. Oh my god. So uh, x always, I should say it's two times. Can I say that? Yeah, so that is everything is two times. Irrespective of whether it's covered or not, it should be two times. Plus equal to 2 into px, 2 into py. This is 2 into nx, and this is 2 into ny. We have to put the tradition, that is semicolon. I guess that's it, but I'm not sure. But let's compile it and see. It's there, then it's crazy. Okay, what happened? What bracket is an issue? What is px? Int min. If int min is greater than b, before greater than, what expression is it expecting? Let's say numeral. Expected primary expression before greater than. What? C in P, C in N, B, C. I don't know, man. Ah, I'm dumb. Oh. Okay, so I got something right. Anyway, so let's run through the problem. 1 0, right? It takes 2, then minus 2 is. Oh, it should be positive, right? Negative should be positive. So, x minus. So it took 15 minutes for the first problem, which is a very, very bad thing, I would say. But anyway, let's see. Uh, Hopefully, I'm not moving to the second one. I want to see whether this works or not. Damn, it failed. What is some test case? I just take the large number. It's also in y. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, I got it. So I should go to the this one, go to the minimum number, take it like that. Yeah, I'm just going to the maximum number, right? But what difference does it make? You go to the maximum, and so what I was trying to do here is, uh, if there is a pen, if this is the number, uh, this one is there. Here a box, here a box, here a box, and here a box is also there. I will go like this, go all the way to the top, and do like this. But this is wrong. Actually, what we should do is we should go like this. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This takes 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this takes 8. So, we have to find the minimum number of that. So, we have to find the minimum number. Minimum into 2. So, this one minimum will be this. X. So, this total distance will be anyway 2, right? This will be 2, this will be 2. Okay, now This total distance will be 2, and this distance is also there. How did this space should not be considered? So it should be -1 here. So okay, now if the points are here, what I should do is, uh, I should not, then I should traverse through this line. I should not go from here. I should always touch the x-axis. What they did here, if we see, they go like this and come like this, go, come like this. So if you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they just made us to confuse. You don't have to go like this. You can just go here, go, touch the minimum point. It can be the case that go to the or go all the way up, go all the way down, go keep on going left. Uh, so so I'm just thinking of a case like where I should pull from here and come here. Instead of going from here, I move here. So I can avoid this duplicate, right? Yeah, so here, take all this way, come here. So you come here, take all the x. So in x-axis, it will always be 2 times. So that's my logic. So x-axis, it's always I put 2 times. Y-axis also 2 times. So where does the change actually come? So that is one question. Mm, 2, 3, 4. This is double. This is also double. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what did I miss out here? You don't have to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, I'm coming 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how did I miss out this? How am I getting -1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, my earlier code makes more sense. It was 7 actually. Then it should not be height, right? One, it should start from x. Okay, so it is coming through here. Okay, let's say it is not coming through here. Let's say it's coming from top. That is this, then it goes down. So this duplicate, instead of moving from here, I moved here. Then I'm moving to right. 1, 2. So same thing, I just push it here, move down, go up. 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm not getting, where am I missing out? Is it that hard? Did how many did solve? 7,000 people solved it. I don't know how. Or is it my code is having problem? Py is greater than b. Shit. Damn. Px is greater than b, py is greater than c, nx is greater than b. अरे यार ये तो this is like so silly, man. I think we should pass. Super. I got one penalty. Uh, it was so long, so I should not have done it. But if it comes wrong answer on test two, I'm happy. Yeah, now I'm happy because it's not a silly mistake. So what happened? Px is greater than b. I think. See what my code does is two into which is greater negative into negative is positive, right? Negative of negative number px py negative x negative y negative x negative y px py. Oh, so I think it took zero also, right? Is less than zero. That's the case. Oh, it should have taken zero. I think, unfortunately, if that is the case, then probably. Uh, so what I'm doing is I'm go back. This is what it's doing, but what is a simpler way to cover all points? I don't know why it's not working. Is there any other way? Does this thing work? One, two times. This is also two times. This is also two. Arey yaar, then I think my code is having some issue. Maximum X value I'll take so that I'll traverse to the last. Uh, C value I'll traverse to the Y. X value. What is the maximum I should traverse? Y value I should. What is the maximum I should traverse? Nx is also not equal to this. Ny is also not equal to this. Okay, what else can be the issue? I think again I'll go back to the question. You are living on infinite period. Why my face is not showing? How to start and finish at the What if it is zero? It will take zero, that's all. If x is greater than zero, then there is only one possibility. Uh, I don't know, like, can't think of anything. Px is p, py is highest distance. Here I'm converting this also. How should I traverse it? What if only 3 points are given? Okay, so if 3 points are given, it will be this. So here that duplication won't come. Okay, so what is meant is, why is the pen always going down? Let's erase all. Come on, it's black. Ah, alright. So if the point is here, and point is here, I would simply start here, go here, go here, go here, and go here, right? So what it means is, if any one of the coordinate is not present, so what if two coordinates are present, one, two, three, four? If any three coordinates are present, that is one, two, three coordinates are present, then one, two, three, four. So here, what is the total cost? One, two, one, two, three, four, five, six. In my code, it will give one, two, three, four, five, six. What? If nx is greater than b, ny is greater than c, I have no idea. B is less than 0. Else if B is here, there is only like C will be 0, B will be 0. If B is less than 0, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god, what's wrong? It just takes the highest value. So there is only like one time. Why? Let me try question again. If not, I'll probably stop that. guaranteed that either xi equal to 0 or yi equal to 0. Do note that the sum of n over all test cases is not bounded. I give up on first, so I'm moving to second. From the following operation, select two integers and then decrease all elements. AL2 AR by 1. What is this sign? What is it called? All permutations B. Number of operations. Oh, so actually we should sort it. Yeah, so 10 power 5, I think I can do this, but let's see. I don't know why it's not working, but let's see this. It's okay. So the first step is we'll just sort that, then we'll figure out what to do. Just by the length as 10 power 5, I assume that it should be the reason sorting is some way, but I don't know. Sublime is smart. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say 2, 3, 4, 5. What? Yes or no? The first is case we can change all elements to 0 in 5 operations. It can be shown that no permutation of 2, 3, 5, 4 requires less than 5 operations to change all elements to 0. See, I don't know, but if it is not consecutive, can I assume like in the third test case we need 5 operations to change all elements to 0. While 2331 only needs three operations. Oh, same number should not come. I think it's the same number, but what if the number is uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? How many operations do we need? Uh, hey, come on, man. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hmm. In one operation, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. In second operation, it will be, I'll apply second, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I apply third operation, it will be fourth operation, it will be fifth operation, it will be. No, what? I am not understanding it. Hmm. I think that's it. 4325 requires less than 5. Minimum number. What is the minimum number you can change? 1, 2, double 3. If a permutation that exists with lesser number of operations, then it's not. 2210. Why 5 operations? Oh, okay. 210. Oh, first. Oh, 3132. How much is 3132? Let's say 3132. In first operation, it decreased everything. So 2021. Second operation, it decreased everything. That is 10. Third operation, it decreased. Fourth operation, it decreased. Fifth. Okay, got it. Now I say that 1233 has lesser number of operations. Okay. 2354. 1243 0243. Two operations already up. Then I'll reduce to two times again. So two, one. Oh, it is getting the maximum number, right? Okay, so it's like more than five operations. So what he's telling is we can change all elements. It can be shown that no permutation of 2354 requires less than five operations. So at least 2354 needs how 2354. 2354. We need to prove that there are five operations. Let's take the first operation. First operation, it decreases everything to one. 1, 2, 4, 3. Apply second operation. What is the result? 0, 1, 3, 2. Apply third operation. What is the result? 0, 0, 2, 1. Apply fourth operation. It will be 0, 0, 1. Fifth operation. Yeah. So the given one should be the lowest this or not. That's what you should find, I think. Yeah, given one, that is f of a, right? Yeah. So you have to find whether there exists any other permutation. So you find the maximum value here, and you sort it, and you will find, right, that value you find here. If that differs, then obviously over. That's all. But how do I find for 2354 the smallest value? Uh, I don't know. Let's assume it's 2364. 23. Consecutive values. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 4 minus 5 is 5. So 2, 3. What? 3 minus 2 is 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, sorting it's consecutive. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 minus 3 is 1. 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 4 plus 4 minus 5. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. So like that we'll get 1, 2, 3, 3. How much? 1 plus 2, 3. So 1, 2, double 3. I say that there are three operations. So, so okay, let's do that first. I don't know what I'm doing. That is sum, right? That is minimum sum, how much you can get. Hmm, yeah. So 2354, I should, how will I get 2354? अरे यार. How do I know that these numbers? So can I say that If same number comes, then that problem comes. So let's say take one more test case with absolutely like different numbers, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, something like that. So here is everything. Okay, that is what I'm doing is, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40. I don't think this is a good thing. Absolutely random numbers, let's say 3, 7, 11, and let's say 20. So minimum number, how much you'll get? 3 plus 7 minus 3 is 4 plus 11 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 4 plus 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20. So you need 20 operations to move this up. Let's mess this up together. 23, 7, and 11. So what happens is it takes all the 3 together. So that is here 17 remains. Operation you can take only one, right? Yeah. 17 remains, 0, 4 remains, 11, 10, 9, 8 remains. Now I'll take the smallest number and reduce these two. Again take 4 here, then you have to take 17. God. So I'm getting more number, right? So let's assume that that is a 3, 7, no, 3, 11, 7, 20. How does this behave? So, oh, so it should, so it's like only one mismatch can be there. So you sort the number, you see how many numbers are in mismatch. If there is two places that is a mismatch, then that's fine. I think this should solve 1, 2, 2, 3, na? So it's 1, 2, 3, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 3. So many places mismatch is there. If there are exactly like two, if it's sorted, then no problem. If less than, if one mismatch is there also, no problem, because uh, what I say is no. Can I prove this? No. I talk 20 here and 11 here, 7, no, 3 and 7. No, it should not happen. 3, 7, 20, 11. 3 gets gone. So, so basically, it should be on the leftmost element or the rightmost element should be a mismatch. So if you see here, right? So either the last two number or the first two number, it's a mismatch from the sorted array. Then you can say that it's possible. Yeah. So less than or equal to 2, you say yes. Simply put yes. So how to do that is able to solve the second problem but not the first means it will be too bad. So you take all the inputs. If n is less than or equal to 2, okay. Now what about the case for 3? So one of them can mismatch. 1, 2, 3 and 2 and 3. Interesting. So let me erase this. Let me 1 2 3 and 2 1 3. So 1 0. How to reduce this two times? You have to reduce this one time. So what it says is the ending number should be small in the mismatched value. And starting number, no. So I think this is the only value there. It's okay to bypass. So I say that there any other cases. 2 3, then you say that from 4 I took from. Can this be a case? 2 3 6 3 6 5 4. Then after 3 has been complete, it will go from this. So the thing is, array is rotated or not. So the sorted array is rotated or not. Yeah, I'll tell you. So if you see here, it is rotated like this. So in the problem B, 3132, 3132. What is the sorted one? 1233, right? It is 3123. Again, it's wrong. Mm, this one is flipped. This is fine. So the this should be sorted. Then this should be sorted. So this should be sorted. This should be sorted. And what you have to do is this number should be less than this number. No, this number should be greater than this. No. This bijection point, right? This number should be greater than this. Okay. So you have to find the transition point using binary search. From binary search, since you found the transition point, you just have to check whether this and this is same or not. If you take 3132 to 3, decreased, right? It should not decrease. This number should be greater. Uh, oh, okay. 4. this is acceptable. 645 is not acceptable because 4 will go down. So it should be like either both of them should be sorted in some way. That's what I think. The middle one, suppose 2, 3, or 1 comes here, it should not happen like that. So basically, you have to split these things and so in if you sort it, it will be like this, right? So let's say 0, 1. You have a mismatch here. So check whether this is the end or not. But what if the same number comes? If you find a mismatch, start from the end. Okay, stand correct. This correct. This correct. Then again in this one, like you go to the end. Then in n minus one, if you find a mismatch, that's all. You can close it. Like wherever you find a mismatch, you can close it. So got it right. I think I can do this. I don't think we need this one, right? Next thing is we have to compare it. Yes, sorted. The sorted one is equal to uh, copy. Okay. If everything is equal to, you put f equal to 1. That is comma, let it be f equal to 1. If f is equal to 1, I simply can put then I don't think this condition is needed. Check for two more conditions. That is if something see out. Yeah, I think I can merge that, but let's see. I found a mismatch there. So from that mismatch, I should start from the end, right? Okay. So index equal to I, if equal to 0. I think index is minus 1 is enough, right? Break. Don't have to do everything. So basically that means not equal to comma index equal to minus 1. If index equal to minus 1, it's already sorted. Index equal to I break. Index equal to minus 1. Else you have to follow the conditions. Now what we have to do is we have to iterate from index I less than n I plus plus. So what happens is p of n minus I minus 1. I mean the last number Yeah, we just end equal to n minus 1, right? End minus uh, if end of minus minus not equal to copy of I, x equal to minus 2. We'll put minus 1 here. If index is not equal to minus 1, I mean, I kept a minus 1 here as default. Yeah, then index will be a non minus 1 value here. If it is this, if it is minus 1, that is the last number, and this copy of I doesn't match, then from there I just keep on decrementing the value, that is v of n minus minus. Take the last number and this, go to the next number, end will be last. 4 5 6 7. 4 5 6 7. I think this should work. Every time I'm telling the same thing, this should work, but if it does not, I can't do anything. Some issue, man. F equal to 1. Let me just submit this. I have to capture my reaction also. So, array yaar, this is also gone. Let me see what is the C value. Is it to be a perfect square if there exists an integer y as that? I am not even in the mood to do this. Just where is my charger? Let's try this again. Anyway, we can't. We have enough time. Let's try again. Whether the given one has the minimum permutation or not. If there is an integer that is having more than the existing one, then he's saying that it is possible. Oh, it. It's a negative number. Okay, so if so I'm telling like where exactly is the breaking point? Okay, let's assume a case. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. This is also valid only, right? This should straight increase. This should also straight increase. That's the only condition. Yeah, hi man. That's 42 minutes. I should implement. That's the condition. Like my condition was totally wrong. So if it's sorted, you don't have to do. Let's say anything. Okay. So less than. Then if a deflection point comes 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3 to 1. That is also possible. No. So it needs 4 operations to decrease to 0, right? Here, how many operations are needed? So it should be like a straight increase, put everything, then straight decrease, finish. So there will be some, increase, straight decrease should happen. Then that case, say, is this possible? Yes, because it gets cancelled, then I'll take only this. There should not be, yeah, I think that should work. So straight increase, you should say if you should not sort. That then use slide track, or else it can be a little bit here, and the slope can be like this also 100, 200,000, 3 to 1. Yeah, so it should be less than like that. Oh my god, this is wrong. Not needed. Yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3 second wrong, no? Okay, so here the deflection is like this. What I'm telling is it should be like this. Less than, less than, less than. So here it's less than is not the right. Starting itself it's greater than. So it breaks here. So let's say it's something like 50 here and 40 here. So my code will check 50 is greater than 40. Break it. It's not possible. No. 40, 30, 21 it should come. But if left side it should increase. So this x this V shape it should not come. But the valid shape we should find out. That is, yeah, less than, less than, less than. uh, this shape it should come. If it's valley shape, right? 3 2 1 2 3, then it's not possible. It should be 3 2 1 2 1. So a less than b, this less than c. If it's a deflection point phi, this is phi, and this is 7, take this one, then everything should be less. But here what happens, everything is more, 0. Yeah. Okay, now what can I do is, anytime if it is greater, the slope, you understand that the slope has begun. So what you do is index equal to, did I, yeah, index equal to I. So what it does is less than or equal to this, definitely it's sorted, no problem, that's it. Yes. Now what here I have to do is, for int I equal to index I less than n minus 1 I plus plus index I minus greater than or no. If copy is not needed, this is v of I plus 1. If it is less than this, then over, matter over. Uh, it should be always be greater than or equal to this. That is 3, 3, 3, like that. It's okay. But something like that comes okay. But anytime if it takes, if it is greater than this, right? If it is greater than this 5 4, then you come out and say that, uh, if, okay, you come out this, then if it is this and this, index equal to minus 1, no. This one you print yes. Save. Same. Oh my god, what? No, yes, yes. 2 3, 3 is less than 5, 2, 5 is less than greater than 4. Why did I get no? Did it come here? Okay, 2. Index is 2. 0 1 2. 5 is greater than 4. Correct. Now, yes only should come, right? What? Index equal to minus 1. I think earlier thing was correct. I hope this should not fail, but if it fails, it's not in my hands. Maybe I'll try for like 1 or 2 inputs. I did not try that. Huh? Wrong answer on pretest one. Why? No, yes, no. What? Hey, what's wrong, man? Hey, this is ridiculous. Uh, Let me submit as a file and see. Let's see. Fail. No, I don't understand this. Why it's failing? Okay, so let me give us one. So first should be yes, right? What? Here's some issue, I think, right? One, four, one, two, three, four. Why it's showing like this? Yes, but here it's showing no. अरे यार ये तो so we have to run with custom test case, right? Custom invocation. I don't think it's a compiler problem or something. Why it's showing no? So the problem is this. Array. Okay, now it should be -1, right? That's it. I think this should get accepted. Else, yeah, I guess that's enough. It's very funny if we solve the B problem and if you're not able to solve the A problem. B problem we solved it, but all are like very okay. So we get only one penalty here. Pre-test one, that's okay, I think, right? Okay, now let's try to solve. Can we see the standings? 8,000. Yeah, nobody has an idea like what exactly is wrong there. Pre-test passed. Wow. So I'm in -152. Yeah, I'm losing my specialist rating today. So there is, I think, some corner case that we are missing here. What is that corner case? We'll find out. So we understood like 27 minutes more. You can collect a box if you and the box are at the same point. Find the minimum number of moves you have to perform to collect all these boxes. Yeah. So see, if it's that easy, then they might have given some higher powers, right? At 10 power 5 or 10 power 9. They may not have to give 100. So there should be some reason that they might have given this number. We'll just keep drawing something. What else can we draw? What is the one test case? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hmm. Why did they give the number 100? That's my question. If it's straightforward, they might have given more. So some implementation is happening here. What is that implementation? One, go high. I'm not stupid, right? I will carry all the excess first, then only go. What? Uh, what I'm thinking is I'll Come here, one axis that is there. Can this be possible? How much is there? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My logic: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, my logic is faster. Oh, did I mess up something here? I have to check the. Was that the problem then? Failed. Hey, what's wrong, man? Come on. Let's try the C one. A zero indexed array size of n is called good for all valid indices. This ai plus 1 is a perfect square. Given an integer n, find a permutation p that is good or determine that no permutation exists. All indices ai plus I is a perfect square. An integer x is said to be a perfect square if there exists an integer y such that it should be some pattern. So for 3 it's what 102 na 0321. Why? N so it is 0 1 2 2 plus 2 is 4. Oh, okay. This is 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 4 is what? 5 is 4. This is 1 1. So, what are all the perfect squares, first of all? How many numbers are there? There are 10 power 5. So, perfect squares can be 1, 4, 2 to the 4, 3 3 is a 9, 4 4 is a 16, 25, 36, 49, uh, then 64. Yeah, something like that, right? Now you have to find the sum. Can this be sum of what all numbers? So this can be sum of 0 and 1 and 0. This can be sum of many things. 3 1 can come, 1 3 can come, only and 2 2 can come. Now this can be sum of again many things. 2 7 can come, 7 2 can come, 3 6 can come, 6 3 can come, like that. Oh, okay. You try to put the highest number. Should be this one, bro. Oh, so 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the index. So you start from here. You have to put 1. Start from here. What is the closest number that you can? What is the highest number that you can? Uh, this should be high. This should be low. So if you see, right, if it's 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have uh, 1, 0, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 9, 9, 9, 9, 4, 1, 1. You saw something? So 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. With 3 you can do. But actually you should cover everything. How do I do that? I have no idea. Let's try for 6. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to. Did you notice something? 3 always wants 3. 4 can be anything. 12 also can 4 can come, but 3 won't allow. 3 always wants 6 only. No, no. For the given scenario, it's like that. How do I determine this? Sorry. So these are like some of the standard code forces problem. I think I lost it, so I might not be able to do it. But I still am figuring out like what is wrong. How will I come up with such a solution? Uh, this is nice. So this one he shuffled it. So that shuffling should take. Okay, what is the time complexity? Time complexity he told n is always 10 power 5. Okay, the 10 power 5 thing you should. So I think you have to fix some value such that it can't go anywhere. So you put all the permutations. See, for zero, what all things can come? Zero can come, one can come. No, no. You start from the highest value. You have 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, not possible. 5. Uh, you check for the uh, number that is less than 12. All the perfect squares that is less than 12. So what do we get? We get our 6. I just mentioned like 6 plus 6 is 12 because that is the highest number. So what are the numbers we get? We get 0, we get 1, we get 4, and we get 9. Now see 6 what number you can put. 3 can form with 6. Only one number will be formed for sure. Right now 3 is lost, it cannot be taken. Go for 5. Now take any number such that uh, search for 5 where it can go. 5 can stand here, right? What is the maximum 5 number? 9. Go for 4. 4 exactly is here. You have two possibilities. One is 0 you can put, and 5 also you can put. Uh, hmm. 6. What is the number that is just above 6? That is no, that is too much. You should not do that. 5 says that, oh, just move. 5 says that I need a number to support 9. So it finds a number that is okay. Shit. 6 says that I need 9. So this is the number set 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 says that I need 9. So 9 tells to 6 that bring 3. 5. 5 also says that it needs 9. So then it tells that go and bring 4. 4 tells that okay, 4 is already there. 4 tells see, you have two ways, either you take my value or either you take 0 or this one. So 0 generally you don't touch it, so it can be 25 and 25 also, right? In a case like 25 0 0 you won't touch it. So always check one number that is greater if it is equal 9, and it tells that 5. Okay, 5 is present. 3 checks with 4. Hey, I need 1. It takes 1. 2 checks with 4 again. It takes 2. 1 checks with 1. Same number. Okay, it asks for 3. No, so 1 comes back to 1. Then 1 checks with 1. Okay, 0 is present. Then 0. 0 says that it's 1. Then it comes back and put. So 9 it checks. Then it checks for 4. See, first it always checks for the highest total number. If it's there, it takes from the value and puts it. 5 checks it and uh, goes this value and puts it. If 4 comes from 9, 5 is there now. If it's not there, we'll take it. I think this should solve, but unfortunately, I won't be able to code. Yeah, the page is also ended. So I think that's it. I had a okay. So it's like I'm doing this for after 2 years. So that's expected. I will become probably, yeah, I'll be back to pupil. But with practice, I believe like I'll go back again. So thank you guys. See you.